Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Sorry for background chatter, that's my family. They're on a loudspeaker, they're talking to each other. And my mother, they tend to yell over the speakers, so it drives me nuts. Like I said earlier, my mom lives with me because I pulled her out of this thinking nursing home. This is an update. Um, First thing, I hope Justin is watching. I think he says he's an amateur prepper, but I don't know if he knows what he's talking about, but that's okay. Uncle Alan's going to teach you right. And because Uncle Alan's kind of tired. I only got like 800 and I'm quitting YouTube and social media. And you probably never hear from Uncle Alan again because I ain't stupid. Okay, please get a copy of this. Because a lot of you really needs it. Okay, now in the live stream I was talking to Steve of Corsair Chainers. Please check out his channel, it's really good. We're talking about these folks right here. And all these so-called LARPers. Don't be a LARPer, okay? If you got an AR or something in the background, that's fine. I've seen a lot of people do that. They wave it around. They have no idea what they're going to use it for. Now, Uncle Alan's a tired old guy. I'm supposed to be retired. I'm supposed to be taking a nap on the sofa because I've been up since 4:30 stripping cows and trying to explain that to one of our Portuguese guys. In Portuguese, why you strip the cow for mastitis and make sure the milk's clean before you put on the pumps. And he's kind of looking at me like, huh? Okay, so please check out these people. That's Corsair's Trainers, Hubble's Cat. And let's see. I think Red Don Don, a PC, and Gil from Cap Patton's Family Compound. Very good. Now, like I said, this is an update, and mostly to say hello to Justin. Ugh. Should pick an easier title. It's a heck of a time finding your channel. But I did, and I learned and stuff. I'll probably stop by, check out your videos, see if we know what you're talking about. If not, oh well. Please check out Wayne's channel, The Ungrateful Peasant. Again, check out all these fine folks right here. Now, Maccabeus asked me a question. And these folks right here. Sorry, Uncle Alan isn't high tech. But yeah, a lot of these LARPer groups, they have websites, which I find kind of ridiculous. Okay, and they're wondering where these people come from. They have a website. All you have to look up is look up their website where they're going. Right now they're in Georgia and Missouri. You know, they leave a trail on the internet that a blind dog could find, kids. Jeez whiz. Uncle Alan isn't that good on the internet. I'm still having trouble with my smartphone, you know, press the buttons and stuff. Okay, and don't forget these people right here. I'm just getting old and tired. I'm looking at my crazy family. Don't know how to garden. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes. Now, a lot of you be munching on these and not paying attention to what's going on. Forget about Antifa, BLM, Black Lives Matter. They're going to get their just rewards in a few days. Okay, now you see this? Now, check out Steve's channel. That's Corsair's Trainer. He was talking about a 3-day food supply. Please check out his videos. They're very good, and I do recommend it because Uncle Alan's getting tired of repeating myself. Okay? Now for Josh, you're not a prepper unless you have 30 days worth of food. Okay, I don't do the 3-day thing because my backpack has 3 days worth of food. Okay? Hope you can see that. All that. Okay? That was the easy part. Now, a lot of you know that Uncle Alan, like Tyler, let's talk about prepping. We drink in Lavera. And a lot of black people should drink this. It's good for you. So I got about 6 of these. Okay, easy to convert these. You have a food storage or water container. You can put rice, beans, not at the same time, but you can do that. Put water in it. You can put dry goods in it. 1 gallon. And they don't take up much space. If you know what you're doing, you could put it in the office box. You could put 4 like this. Very simple. It went over 5 minutes. That's all right. Very easy. So I hope this helps out Josh. Sorry. I'm glad I only have 1.5 lungs to work with. And I got asthma. Okay. Keep it simple. Keep it real. Catch you later, folks.